Welcome, my friend, to Ponta do Sol at the south coast of Madeira. It's time again for some sunset photography here at the famous bridge, which you can't see right now. I show it to you. Last time at Seychelles we had some luck with the clouds and the color, so let's hope for the best and wish me some luck this evening that I get at least the same amount of color as the last time. So guys, I am searching for a spot and a composition. What do you guys think of this as a kind of symmetrical architecture shot with then the sun setting here on the right hand side? I really do not know if that's unbalanced, but this lantern here on the left should balance it in some way. Let me know in the comments if you would take this shot. So guys, I guess I found my composition. It will be something like this, but of course a little bit more wide angle-ish, because this lens is just 13 millimeters. That's around 20 full frame equivalent, and I have a 10 millimeter which is like 15 millimeters full frame equivalent, so that's enough to get all of this bridge in and hopefully some color in the sky around there. So I won't be photographing into the sunset. That should be a little bit easier regarding dynamic range, but of course it's a bit of a gamble regarding the light, so wish me luck. So guys, I am here at my spot. The sun has just set behind a bank of clouds, but as you can see this spot is not a secret with sunset observers, lovers, viewers, whatever. They all are having a sundowner here, but a good thing I can report, there is some color in the clouds, and this is my image. Of course I took one before the sunset for the bridge and the sunshine on the bridge, and now I'm just doing some long exposures for the clouds because they are looking pretty nice. And yeah. So guys, that's it. I'm calling it a day. The light was pretty cool actually, but it got sucked out by a bank of clouds, or blocked by a bank of clouds, I'd rather say, pretty quickly. So I didn't get that really nice golden light I hoped for, but I guess the light was kind of okay before that. I did also manage to get some drone shots. I guess I'm pretty happy with that footage I got. If you want to come here, consider there will be a lot of people around at sunset, because it's a pretty famous location and not a secret anymore, at least. Maybe it was one day, but yeah, there were at least, I guess, 40 people maybe. They also do diving and bathing here in the sea, so they jumped off the bridge and the stones here around. So yeah, a lot of action, but with long exposures, of course, you can get rid of that, and that's what I tried. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you like the images, and of course which one do you like best, and also of course do not forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. As I said, it's free for you, it helps me a lot, and it's greatly appreciated. Until the next time, see you, bye bye.